Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the IrieAT project at Easter Seals Crossroads, and today we're going to take a look at a cell phone designed for folks who are visually impaired called SmartVision2. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Hi, I'm John with IrieAT, and today I'm going to be showing you a new product from Capsys. This is the Capsys SmartVision2. What it is, it's a Android device. It's an Android phone that's been built from the ground up for accessibility. So TalkBack's been completely reworked. They've added physical buttons, and you can navigate either by touch or by physical button. All right, so here's the interface for the SmartVision. You have a touchscreen up top, and below here you have physical buttons. So with the touchscreen, you can do standard gestures, so you can swipe to go through your things, and you could double tap to open an item and select it. And it's an Android phone, so it has a full Android operating system as well as the Google Play Store. You can go download apps and that kind of thing. It also comes pre-installed with several accessibility apps like color detection. You can get OCR and magnification and so on and so forth. So not only does it speak to you and TalkBack works, and you can use a touchscreen like you could on standard phones, but on the bottom part here, we actually have physical buttons. So we have a dial pad, 1 through 0, and star and pound. We also have a little directional pad, so you can use that to arrow up and down to go through and select different things. Everything's been organized in nice, simple vertical menus. We have a physical send button, kind of like on the older style flip phones. It has 3 vertical dots on it. And you can press that, and it'll jump you straight into the phone app or answer a call. We have an end button on the opposite side, which has 3 horizontal dots on it. That'll end a phone call for you. In the center of the directional pad, you have a selection button, and just to the left, we have a home button and a menu button like you would find on Android. And on the right, we have a back button and a delete key for deleting characters when you're typing. So of course, you can type in text with an on-screen keyboard. You could type in text with the dial pad if you want, or it also has fantastic dictation. On the right-hand side of the unit, there is actually a dedicated button for dictation and for OK Google. So if you're just sitting on your home screen, you press and hold that button, OK Google pops up. You can ask it to call somebody, text somebody, so on and so forth. And then if you press it when you're on any sort of field where you'd be entering text, then it would enable a dictation for you, so you could dictate an email, a text message, a phone number, pretty much anywhere that you would be entering text, you could dictate by just tapping the dictation button. Anyway, that's a quick run through of the Capsys SmartVision2 from IrieAT.
So that's your tech tip for this week. My name is Brian Norton with the IrieAT project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.